The National Police denies allegations that more than 300 million cash seized during Pogo raids had gone missing. PNP spokesperson Jean Fajardo says the money remains intact in the hand of the authorities. Fajardo stressed that the location of the seized money is being accessed only by limited individuals. She added that other evidence gathered from these police operations is properly secured.
Pagsasabihin po ng korte na i-turn over po yan sa DOJ, the PNP is more than willing to turn over this if the court would issue orders na ibalik po ito doon po sa subject po ng police warrants, then the PNP will comply. We just show this to prove na intact po yung pera.
Yan yung just for context, yan yung nangyaring raid noong October 29 by the Anti-Cybercrime Group and National Capital Region Police doon sa may Century Peak Tower sa Manila.
Yung tinawag ni Casio at that time na tinawag ng PAOK na failed raid, palpak na raid.
Kasi 'di ba may mga of course yung kabilang kampo yung mga ni-raid, dinideny nila yung allegedly kaya daw sila ni-raid kasi Pogo hub sila ng mga romance scamming, etc. Pero ito yon. And also, there were also police involved na under investigation ngayon kasi upon the raid na ginawa nila, parang sa may hallway, may mga tinakpan silang mga CCTV na tapos sinasabi din, of course, yung business, yung BPO supposedly na ni-raid nila, na they also went to the floors na hindi naman sakop ng warrant. So ito yun, medyo magulo nga itong raid na to at may mga sabi ni Colonel Jean Fajardo, may mga misinformation, disinformation regarding dun sa nawawalang pera. Kasi sinasabi nila parang, of course, alam mo na, yung mga allegedly na, ang tawag doon, pinakit, binulsa.
Kabayan daw.
Oo, yung mga ganon. Pero pinakita naman nila dun sa video, andun naman daw yung pera.